Hey, welcome back. My name is Micah, and if you've been following me, you'll know that I got a new smart home product, the Sunsa Wand. And before I get into the review, first things first. Alexa, open the front window group. The Sunsa Wand is a smart device that replaces your existing blind wand. The reason I got this is to save me time every day and add to my smart home's smart lighting. If you've seen my Deco Smart Light videos, you'll know that I use both Alexa and Google to control smart devices around my house. Well, the Sunsa Wand is another device to add to that ecosystem. So now I have 24-hour smart lighting. During the day, I can use my Sunsa Wands, and at night, I can use my Deco Smart Lights. Throughout the review, you might notice video clips playing to my right. Those are existing Sunsa Wand videos I've created and a Sunsa Wand playlist, and the link is down in the description. I think the Sunsa Wands look great, and they're definitely approved by my wife. Unless you're looking really closely, you can't really tell that they're any different from a normal wand, and I think that's the point, just to keep them sort of subtle. They install in less than 1 minute, and the hardest part is actually removing your old wand because these install pretty easy. Once you install them, you might be wondering, well, what if I want to open the wand manually by my hand? Well, I don't really do that as much, but in the case that you want to, they've created a double tap mode, and with that, you can easily open and close without using a voice command. However, I typically like to use a voice command, so, hey Google, open window 1.
Got it. Opening
Oops.
the front window 1.
Wrong window. Hey Google, open front window 3.
Sure. Opening the front window 3.
There we go. I numbered these windows 1, 2, 3, so that way I notice or I can keep track of which one is which, but as you see, sometimes I get mixed up. And on that note, you can actually use the Sunsa Wand app as well to control your smart blinds, in addition to the voice commands and the tap feature. You can also use the Sunsa Wand app to create groups to control multiple windows at the same time. So right behind me, this is my front window group that I have for these 3 windows. And normally when I'm looking at it, I think 1, 2, 3. But since I'm facing the other way, I just thought 1 was over there. But that's a good tip, is to number your windows if they're right next to each other, probably based on how you look at them normally, and then you won't forget. So after you install your Sunsa Wand like this, the next step is to add it to the Sunsa Wand app and calibrate it. Now this could be weird the first time and take a couple minutes, but you'll get faster each device, and it's actually pretty cool. Each Sunsa Wand is powered by 4 AA batteries, and they're included in the purchase. The Sunsa Wand app will actually tell you the battery percentage on these so that you'll know when to replace them. And optionally, you can purchase other power methods for your Sunsa Wands, including a solar panel and a wall outlet charger. The Sunsa Wands are really a game changer for me, and I really love them. I actually look forward to them every morning because I use them every day. And that might sound sort of weird, but it's just because I actually have them set up on a motion detector. So as I come down in the morning, every morning, the motion detector notices that I've come down, and then it just opens the windows, and I look forward to that every morning. So by motion sensor, I don't mean that the Sunsa Wand has a motion sensor. I actually use a Ring motion sensor that's integrated with my Alexa app, so part of the ecosystem, and that will trigger the blinds to open. In the Sunsa Wand app, you can actually set schedules for when you want your blinds to open and close throughout the day. But for me personally, I like the motion detector because if I oversleep or one day I don't wake up as early as the others, I still get to come down and actually see them open, because I think that's the coolest thing. But I actually do use a schedule for the closing of the blinds at sunset every day. However, a great thing about the Sunsa Wands is that they're continually improving and updating the app to give you more and new features. They have some different sensors on the wands that they're going to take advantage of, like a light sensor that can tell what time of day it is. There's a temperature sensor, other things like that. So I'm sure there's going to be tons of cool features in the future, and I'll give you all the tips and ways to use them. To me, the best part of smart devices is figuring out over time different routines and automations that would best suit you and help you in the future. I've actually been requested to create a video on a detailed review on how to set up this routine here. So expect that video or videos coming soon. So that about wraps it up. I think the Sunsa Wand is a great product to start off your smart home, or even a great addition to your existing smart home to add to Ring devices, Alexa, smart lighting, whatever you use. We've definitely benefited from it, and I think that you will too. So until the next time and the next smart home device, see you later.